Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, today we will learn about the land, our land. So, the topic for the day is land. Firstly, open your book at page number 42. Land. Look at the picture. What are the uses of land? Yes, look at the picture carefully and try to describe the people, the animals, plants, vehicles, and surrounding also of the land. Try to identify the name of each and every object, like two cows are there, one boy is playing with his pet, one girl is swinging, a car is moving, a boy is cycling. Yes, a mason is making the house, building the house. A lady is also working. A house is there, trees. Yes, small plants, road, house, a building, everything. Look at each and everything. Look at each and everything and identify the name of the objects. About the mud, road and grass also. Look, this is the land, and this land covers the solid ground that we walk on, as well as, yes, we walk on, as well as some animals use the land to walk on, and some vehicles also use it to move on, often with the help of tires. Now let's do an activity. For the activity, collect the objects you want to collect at home, and count 18 objects. Yes, from them. Now open your book at page number 43. Number 18. Count aloud and trace the number 18. Yes, speak aloud the number 18 and firstly trace the number 18 on tracing lines. After that, write the number 18 into the given boxes. Now open your book at page number 44. Number 18. Plant 8 seeds in the soil. You may use stickers or bindis. You can use stickers or any kind of bindis for seeds. Yes, but remember, you have to plant only 18 seeds into the soil. Look, this is raining. It is raining, and remember, this is a correct time to, yes, which time is correct for planting the seed? Yes, students. Now let's recite the rhyme clean up song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place. Put the toys back in their place. Keep a smile upon your face. Keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. After reciting this rhyme, now let's discuss about the land pollution. Yes, look here. Land pollution. Have you remembered how to keep your surroundings clean and why it is important? Look at the picture. Very dirty surrounding. This is need to be cleaned. Yes, what are the ways in which you can do this? Yes, use the dustbins. Use the dustbins to pick up the litter, to reduce the waste, and try to recycle the material and plant more and more trees. Yes, according to this way you can keep the surrounding clean. Now open your book at page number 45. Keeping our surrounding streets clean. Look at the picture and say what you think. What the children are doing. It is very important to reduce these things and reduce the waste also. Yes, look here, the first boy is throwing the litter. Second, the girl is watering the plants. The third is picking up the plastic bottles. The fourth boy is with plastic bottles, and the last planting a plant. Yes, try to plant a tree. Now, in order to keep our surrounding clean, you must recycle these things. Means you should make use of everything in newer ways, in newer ways. You should use of everything in newer ways so that the amount of waste is less. We can make art out of trash instead of throwing things. Like we can use the pencil waste and we should make a beautiful drawing like this. Yes. Now look here. We should use the waste pencils also. Yes. We should use the waste material and waste straws and make a beautiful frame. Look here. We should use the waste material and can make a beautiful objects by using this. Yes, students. Now stay connected with your teacher, with your school. Have you enjoyed the session? Stay home and stay safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.